Here I am showing you the angles of the oval stone I'm going to be setting in a silver ring. As you can see, the ends are going to be like this. And if I look at the angles underneath the ends, they were slightly barrel shaped as compared with the sides. The sides are of a different angle, more shallower angle, and the ends are more barrel shaped. We have to do a lot of contouring of the burr and using different sides of the burr to excavate the bezel, as it's going to be done in this position on the diagram. And for the burr, I'm going to be using the upper underneath part of the burr. Only the underneath part will be doing the excavating or preparing of the pavilion of the stone. So this is our little baby we're going to be using. Well, the one I'm going to be using will be an 8x6 faceted stone. This is a bit larger just for demonstration purposes. And you can see here the hammer sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This locks in the stone, preventing it from going sideways while you're hammering it. Once this is done, it's going to squeeze the stone in tight, preventing it from going sideways. And once it's locked in place, you can hit and use a hammer. My hammer is going to be here's a little paper here. It's going to be an 85-gram weight hammer. I'm going to be hammering on the top of the bezel. That will be shown in another video. But right now, this is what I'm going to be starting to use. I will be using a pillar number 1 and 2 and triangular number 2 and 4 triangular files. My hammer has a very fine shiny surface. I do not want to have any blemishes on that steel whatsoever, because any marks on the hammer will be transferred to the bezel frame and it's going to be pretty hard to remove. And this is the ring I'm going to be using. It was a silver, 0.925 silver. It was tumbled in the magnetic tumbler, and the gates are still there. I'm not concerned about that right now. My main concern is from the halfway up the shank until the setting area. That is my main